Hey guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to do unboxing this beautiful watch. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so to be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there we go, guys. So again, we have here a new watch from Swatch, and this was been released on June of 2021, and this is a fall to winter kind of a collection, and this is a NASA collection from Swatch. So there you go. So I have this one here, guys, and what's in the bag? They gave me a pouch. So again, I would like to say thank you so much to Clarice in Chinook Mall here in Calgary. Thanks for giving this a pouch bag. Okay, so and then I have here a watch. So again, gonna go unboxing this Swatch here, and nice beautiful case, orange, and ta-dang! There you go. So again, what's in the box is they have here the manual, and again they have that stamp. They stamped this one here. When did you purchase this? So I just got this one here June 20th of 2021. Okay, and then they have here a manual. So there you go. Then just put this one on the side. So again, guys, this is beautiful color. I love orange, and nice, beautiful. So again, guys, this is a space collection of Swatch, and they have here NASA. And again, this is they have a 2-year warranty on this watch. Plus, again, if you run out with your battery, Swatch in Chinook Mall, it's unlimited replacement for battery. And again, thank you so much for that, Swatch here in Calgary. So basically, guys, the color combination of this with the orange, gray, blue, and red, and they have also here on their strap, they have that blue and white, you know, for that for your strap. And then again, they have here a 3 what do you call this one, 3 bars that you can look at it, and it's nice one. And again, they have the a hop buckle. Yeah, so they have a hop buckle. I don't know, I think this is the hop buckle they call it here. And then the case material, it's a bioceramic, and it's too light. It's too light materials in Swatch, and that's one thing that I like in Swatch, because it's too light. And again, we're gonna try this one on, and basically this is my other watch, and I'm wearing a Tag Heuer. So changing with this Swatch is beautiful. I love it, and I think I have like 4 or 5 swatches already. This big bold chrono is taking the orange NASA Advantage Crew Escape suit design to the next level, featuring the Swatch Glow Hand, a matte gray bioceramic case, and a biosource plastic glass. Okay, so again, guys, this is a beautiful watch, and this is about $220 Canadian, plus again a 5% tax. So it's really good fit. I like it. It's a nice one. So I think I have to take this plastic cover out. I'm gonna take this one off. I don't need that one. Nice, beautiful, guys. Ooh. Beautiful collection. It's too light. Actually, it's too light. One thing that on Swatch, because it's so plastic, and the quality for Swatch is really good. So yeah, and also again they gave me this pouch. Thank you so much again, guys. Nice one. So we have yeah, beauty. So it's nice if you go for biking. You can use this one here, and nice, beautiful. So, but again, guys, this Swatch is available in Chinook Mall, and again, this is not a sponsored blog, but if you want, you can go and visit Swatch in Chinook Mall here in Calgary, and they have this collection. I think they have yeah, so they have white, they have blue, orange, and I think they have five available color on this one here, or different design in NASA collection. So, but again, you can go and visit their store. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy my unboxing, and my impression on this watch is really good. And you can also watch my other unboxing on my other video. Thank you so much. This is NoyTebs. God bless and have a wonderful day.